Hello everyone, we are all back again into another class of social science. All of you are welcome to this class. Our exams are near, isn't it? So, what shall we do today? Let us discuss some model questions today. Shall we start? The exam will be conducted out of 25 marks and there will be 40 questions. So, let us discuss some of the model questions today. The first category of questions is choose the correct answer from the options given. There will be 20 questions in this category and each question will carry 0.5 mark. That means 10 marks total for this category. In this category what you have to do is you will have 3 options each for a question and you will have to select the right answer from the option. Shall we see some model questions? Question number 1. Which among the following is not a fuel used in vehicles? Listen, this is a tricky question. What is the question? Which among the following is not a fuel used in vehicles? The question is not a fuel. And see the options. CNG is a fuel used in vehicles. Coal is also a fuel used in vehicles. But the option number A, jeans is not a fuel, it is a dress. So it is not a fuel used in vehicles. So the answer is option number A, jeans. Question number 2. Which among the following vehicles gives off smoke? Listen, there are 3 options and among the 3 options which vehicle gives off smoke? Bicycle and bullock cart do not give off smoke. Bus gives off smoke, isn't it? So bus is the right answer. Question number 3. From where do we get petroleum? Simple question now. See the options and what's the answer? We get petroleum from deep under the earth, isn't it? So the answer is option number C, deep under the earth. Question number 4. At what signal do vehicles stop? At what signal do vehicles stop? Vehicles stop at a red light, isn't it? At red signal, vehicles stop. So the answer is option number B, red light. Question number 5. Vehicles refill their tanks at dash. The answer is option C. Vehicles refill their tanks at petrol pump. Sixth question. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Listen, the question is to select non-renewable source of energy. And see the options coal, wind, water. Wind and water are renewable sources of energy. So, option A, coal is the right answer because coal is a non-renewable source of energy. We cannot renew coal, isn't it? Seventh question. Where is Mumbai? Where is Mumbai? Mumbai is in the state of Maharashtra. So the answer is option number C, Maharashtra. Question number 8. Houses in cities are mainly made up of dash. The options are grass, cement and bricks and wood. Houses in cities are mainly made up of cement and bricks, isn't it? So the answer is option B, cement and bricks. Question 9. Ladakh is a dash area. Ladakh is a mountain area. So the option A, mountain is the right answer. Question number 10. Changpa is a tribe that lives on dash. In the textbook we studied that Changpa is a tribe that lives on mountains. So option C, mountains is the right answer. Question 11. What is Rebo for Changpas? What is Rebo for Changpas? We studied that Rebo means tens. Rebo is the tens where Changpas live. So the answer is option B, tens. Question number 12. Disasters by nature are called dash. Disasters by nature are called natural disasters. So option A, natural disasters is the right answer. 13th question. Earthquake is a dash. We studied that earthquake is a natural disaster. It is not a man-made disaster because we cannot make earthquake. Earthquake is made by nature. So it is a natural disaster. So the answer is option A, natural disaster. Question number 14. If there is excess rainfall, there will be dash. If there is excess rainfall, there will be no earthquake and there will be no drought. There will be flood. If there is excess rainfall, there will be flood. So option B, flood is the right answer. Question 15. Which earthquake happened on dash? We studied that Bhuj earthquake happened on 26th January 2001. So the answer is option A. Question number 16. We blow air from our mouth to the burning fire to keep it dash. We blow air from our mouth to the burning fire to keep it burning. Isn't it? So the answer is option C. To keep the fire burning, we blow air. Question number 17. When we breathe out our chest, dash. When we breathe out our chest, not comes out. So A is not the correct answer. When we breathe out our chest, goes in. So option B is the right answer. Question number 18. We should keep our dash clean. The answer is simple, isn't it? We studied that we should keep our surroundings clean. So the answer is option A, surroundings. 19th question. Under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the dash was made. I taught you in the video that under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Indian Constitution was made. The Indian Constitution, that is the law of the land of India, was made under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Don't forget that. So the answer is option C, Indian Constitution. Question number 20. Dash considered everyone equal. And look at the options. Gandhiji, Nehru, none of these. The answer is option A, Gandhiji. Because we studied that Gandhiji considered everyone equal. So this is the 20th question. You will have 20 questions like this for the exam. Some of the model questions will be asked in the exam. So listen to the video well and read the chapters very well. These are the model questions. There will be 20 questions like this. There will be 20 multiple choice questions. You will have 3 options and you will have to select the right answer. The next category of questions is true or false. Read the statements given below and select whether they are true or false. You will have to say whether the statements or the sentences given below are true or false. There will be 10 questions like this and each question will carry 0.5 mark. That means 5 marks total for this category. Shall we see some examples? Question number 1. While traveling on road, we notice many vehicles. Yes, the statement is right. So, it is true. Second question. Petroleum is a smelly liquid. It means petroleum has very bad smell. Yes, we studied that petroleum has a smell and it is very bad smell. So the statement is true. Question number 3. Earthquake is a man-made disaster. We studied that earthquake is made by nature because we cannot make earthquake. So it is a false statement. The statement is wrong and so the answer is false. Question number 4. If there is heavy rainfall, there will be drought. Listen, I taught you that drought is a situation where there is no water. Now read the question. If there is heavy rainfall, there will be drought. If there is heavy rainfall, there will be more water, isn't it? So if there is heavy rainfall, there will be no drought. So the statement is false. Question number 5. The people in cold areas dry out fruits and vegetables during the summer season. Yes, it is a right statement, and so the answer is true. Question number 6. At very high altitudes, there is no air. Listen, at very high altitudes, there is air. We never studied that at very high altitudes there is no air. There is air everywhere. So, the statement is false. At very high altitudes also there is air. Question number 7. Zakir Hussain was the former president of India. Yes, he was the former president of India. We studied about Zakir Hussain in the chapter Blow Hot, Blow Cold. Don't you remember? Now read the question again. Zakir Hussain was the former president of India. Yes, it is a true statement, and so the answer is true. Question number 8. The winter is cold. Simple statement, isn't it? Yes, the winter is cold, and so the answer is true. Question number 9. Gandhiji is the father of the nation. Yes, Gandhiji is the father of the nation of India. He is the father of our nation. So it is a true statement. Question number 10. Gandhiji was against untouchability. Yes, we studied that Gandhiji was against untouchability, and it is a true statement. Listen, this is the 10th question. You will have 10 questions like this for the exam. 2 or 4 questions. You will have to say whether they are true or whether they are false. The last category of questions is match the following. You will have 10 questions. There will be 2 columns. In the first column there will be 10 options, and also there will be 10 options in the second column. You will have to match these options based on the similarity. Okay. You will get 1 mark each for the right answer that you make. That means 10 marks maximum for this category. Let us see one model question. See, there are 2 columns and there are 10 rows. That means 10 options are there in the first column and 10 are there in the second column. You will have to match these options because all of them are disordered. They don't have any similarity. You will have to match them. Shall we see the answer? Now look at the picture. The options are properly arranged. Smoke from vehicles causes air pollution. So 1 is matching with E. Wind is a renewable energy. So 2 is matching with G. Refinery is for filtering petroleum. So 3 matches with B. Ladakh is a union territory. So 4 matches with A. World famous wool is Pashmina. Pashmina wool is a world famous food. So option number 5 matches with option J. Then Republic Day is on 26th of January. So 6 matches with C. Then if there is no water, there will be drought. So 7th option matches with I. Then flute is a musical instrument. So option 8 matches with D. We blow hot during the winter season because during winter it is cold and we blow hot with our mouth, isn't it? So option 9 matches with option H. Then the last one, Sabarmati Ashram is the ashram of Gandhiji. So option number 10 matches with F. Do you get me? So I gave you a proper understanding about the exam. I gave you an understanding about how the exams would be. These types of questions will be asked. The questions will be like this. Some of the model questions will be asked as they are in the examination. So study well, read the chapters very well, listen to the video very well. All of you stay home, take care of your health very well, relax and study well for the examination. We can see again in the next class. See you all. Bye.